In this video, I'm going to be comparing and just telling you a brief overview about what the difference and which one is better. Wireguard, some of the biggest strengths I've found is that it is exceptionally fast. Now, this is because of its minimal coin base and its efficient cryptographic technologies. Well, doing this, it's also able to keep you extremely safe, and it's completely open source, and it doesn't cost any money, which is a major plus if you're looking for a good VPN. This is a good free VPN that I highly recommend using, and it can be integrated into other tools like Tailscale and just enhance the usability overall. So you can actually double up your VPNs and put them together and make it run even flawlessly. However, the limitations, there are no management layers. Now, WireGuard protocol is not a full-fledged VPN, meaning it does have limited capabilities and management solution, which can be an issue when it comes to keys, routes, and clients. So you can't really link all of your computers separately on different private networks in different locations if you're using this VPN, but you can use it across one over all of those devices. So if you're running a large business, it's probably not ideal for you. It's more ideal for the solo individuals or just small groups of people, small businesses. And yeah, overall, it's good if you're technically proficient and need to lean for a highly performant, very fast VPN. And yeah, this is kind of all you need to know. Those are just the highlights. And I've also made this table that I'll attach on screen right now. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments, or other people if you find anything helpful. What Tailscale is it's basically a peer-to-peer mesh VPN that was built on Wireguard, which is another VPN virtual private network application out there. And it's designed to simply prevent networks with minimal configuration. Now, the strengths of Tailscale are it's extremely easy to set up and configure and just deploy on all of your devices. And if you are using it in a business or a ton of people, it is really easy to just set up and use in general. It has really fast speeds and really high speed security. So everything you do is just extremely secure, and it's just really quick to respond to that. It has automatic key management, meaning it handles all rotations and distribution seamlessly when you're actually using it. So it appears that you're not even on a VPN, just you're on your normal network. And it does this really well across all of the devices, which I think is a major strength to this VPN. And it also integrates with identity providers, which is Google Workspace, Microsoft, Oteka, and any other providers so. Now, just really good because you can use it on pretty much anything flawlessly. And of course, the best part is it doesn't cost any money. It's completely free, which is actually shocking, which is why I think it's ideal for individual small teams and developers who are in need for fast and secure devices or services in a straightforward way. That's a good thing about this VPN. Kind of all you need to know. Those are just the highlights, and I've also made this table that I'll attach on screen right now. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments, or other people if you find anything helpful.